Good morning to my dear friends and dear students. I am Sunil Sangre on the behalf of KK Polytechnic and Department of Computer Technology. I welcome you all once again in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the concept of multiplexer from unit number 3, combinational logic design and circuits. The multiplexer is one of the circuit, or it is also called as one of the combinational circuit that has maximum 2 raised to n data inputs and n select lines and a single output line. On the basis of that select line, it can be select a particular input line. One of these data inputs will be connected to the output based on the value of the selection line. We'll see what exactly that working of the multiplexer with the example of the particular block diagram. Since there are n selection lines, there will be a 2 raised to n possible combination of zeros and ones. So each combination will select only one data input. Multiplexer is also called as a mux. It is a short form of mux. Multiplexer has n control inputs, that is the select lines, and 2 raised to n data inputs and one output. A particular input line will be selected on the basis of the select lines. A multiplexer routes or connects a particular selected data inputs to the output. The value of the control inputs determine the data input that is selected. So here this is the symbol of multiplexer or mux. So here the I0 to IN, these are the input lines and Y is output line. So particular input line will be select or connect to the output line on the basis of the selection line. So here S0 to S0 to Sn, these are the select lines. On the basis of that select lines or control lines, what is the value or what is the status of that select lines, on the basis of that particular input line will be connected to the output line. So multiplexer is one of the example, is one general example. Suppose we have the mobile, computer, laptop and TV, and we want to connect to our music system. So music system is a single output line, but we want to connect all these four. So it is not possible to at a time that all the four control or devices can be connected. So in that case, a particular device can be connected, either mobile can be connected, either laptop can be connected, either TV can be connected, or either the system can be connected. So on the basis of that, so here the particular select line, on the basis of that selection line status, the particular input line will be selected and the output will get on the Y. So here the another symbol. So we'll see the first example, 2 as one mux. So here 2 means these are the 2 input lines and 1 output lines. So here the control lines is a 1. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. So that's why here the 2 input lines. So suppose the control lines value is 0, that time the I0 line will be considered as an input line and it will be connected to the output line. And if the control line is 1, in that case I1 line will be considered as an input line and it will be connected to the output line. So always remember, on the basis of the control lines, the particular output line input line will be selected on the output line. Another example as a 4 as a 1 mux. Same concept, same function will be work, only the inputs are increased here because of the 2 control inputs. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So that's why the 4 input lines are here, and on the basis of once again the combination of that control unit lines. So suppose A and B will consider the name of that control lines. Suppose 0 0. So this is actually the 0 0 in a decimal 0. So I0 line will be selected. 0 1, this is decimal is 1. In that case the I1 line will be selected. 1 0, this is a 2. So I2 line will be selected. 1 1, this is I3. So 3 is I3 line will be selected. So on the basis of that control lines, the particular input line will be selected, and what is the value of that input line, that will be gets on output line. This is a logic diagram. Another example, it has one multiplexer. Same concept, 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So 8 input lines will be considered as an input line, and particular input line will be selected on the basis of once again the control input lines. So this is a truth table, shows which particular input line will be selected. This is the logical diagram for the 8 as a one multiplexer. So I hope you clear the concept of multiplexer. We'll see the another concept, demultiplexer, in the next lecture. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.